Hey, little artists! Today we're gonna draw something super fun and super cute. A cute laptop! So grab your black marker and let's get started.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, take your black marker and draw a nice rectangle in the middle of your page. This will be the laptop's display screen. Now, around the first rectangle, draw another bigger rectangle. This makes the cute laptop frame. Now, draw another big rectangle under the frame. This will be our keyboard area. Perfect! Now let's add the keyboard keys. You can draw small rectangles or little squares inside the keyboard area.
La da 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 dee.
Nice and easy. In the middle bottom area, draw one more rectangle for the touchpad. Now let's make our laptop super cute. On the display, draw two big round eyes and a small smiling mouth. Aww, look at that cute, happy laptop. Now take your black marker again. Let's make all the outlines bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's coloring time. Here are all the colors we will use. Rainbow colors. Show the color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. And pink color. Great job, everyone! Our cute laptop drawing is complete. You all did amazing! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more easy and fun drawings here on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.